The award was about really this discovery of the universe, in a sense, the whole history of the universe and the contents of the universe. And James Peebles is one of the most important cosmologists of our time, and he has contributed to several really essential pieces in this puzzle. So it's about really to realize what our universe consists of. It's not only ordinary matter, the thing that we sort of experience in our daily life, but there are also other unknown dark components. 95% of the energy of the universe is really basically unknown. We just know some of its properties. That is the dark matter and it's the dark energy. And James Peebles have revealed how, by looking back in time towards the Big Bang, looking at the cosmic microwave background radiation which had been traveling to us for almost 14 billion years, how you in that radiation can read off basically the contents of our universe.
That is mostly unknown.
It's mostly unknown. We know the properties, the general properties of this. The dark matter is sort of like matter. It's in clump and it can form gigantic clouds around the galaxies. We know it's there through its gravitational influence on other matter, and also in the early universe when the dark matter had to be there in order for galaxies to form in the first place. But we don't know what that dark matter actually is. And then there is the dark energy, which doesn't really clump. It's spread uniformly through the universe, but it has the property of accelerating the expansion of the universe. So the galaxies are moving ever faster away from each other, but again, we know it's there. We know that it dominates the energy of our universe, but again, we don't know what it actually is.
What metaphor would you use to describe the universe?
Well, one metaphor that I really liked, which I also used in the presentation, is to compare with a cup of coffee. Then, I mean, most what you have in the cup of coffee is, of course, the coffee itself. That's the dark energy. I think that's a very nice parallel. Dark energy, that's the coffee in the cup. But it's not only that. You also need to have some cream or milk. Quite a lot. Not as much as the coffee, of course, but still a fair amount of that. That's the dark matter, like a quarter or so. And then just a tiny little bit of sugar. That's the ordinary matter. That's what makes the universe sweet, in a sense. That's us. That's the stars. That's the planets. And then you have to stir a bit, and that's your universe.
And in this sweet universe, we have planets.
We have planets, indeed.
That takes us to the second prize,
Yes.
part of the prize. What was it about?